In the vibrant city of Jinja, Uganda, where the streets buzzed with life and the markets overflowed with colors, there lived a woman whose heart was as big as her cooking pots. Her name was Mama Amina. Mama Amina owned a small restaurant called Amina's Kitchen. It was not the fanciest place in town, but it was the warmest. Every day, Mama Amina would rise before dawn to prepare meals that brought comfort and joy to everyone who walked through her doors. From the wealthy to the poor, everyone was welcome at Amina's kitchen. She never turned anyone away, no matter their background or their ability to pay. Her generosity knew no bounds, and her food was a symbol of her love. It wasn't just the food that made her special. It was her kindness and humility. She would often sit with the children, telling stories and sharing laughs, making sure they felt loved and cared for. Word of Mama Amina's generosity spread throughout Jinja. People began to realize that it wasn't just about the meals she served, but the spirit in which she served them. With tears in her eyes, Mama Amina addressed the crowd. "Thank you, my family," she said. "Remember, love is the most important ingredient in everything we do. Let us continue to care for one another, always."